How to change background color on Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change background color on Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, select the website whose background you want to change. Okay, and once you selected it, you'll be brought to this page here on my screen, and then by the top part of the website you'll see the edit option. Click on it. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the edit page. Yeah, so now just place your cursor on the background that you want to change, that is the section whose background you want to change. And then once you do that, a box will pop up by the right side of the screen. Click on edit section. Okay, once you click on edit section, a box will be displayed showing you some options such as formats, background, colors. That's our focus. Click on colors. So once you click on colors, you'll be directed to another page, and then you'll see the colors, the color that the background is currently in, and then you can see other colors. So just scroll down here and select the one you want. So this is one I'll be selecting. So once you select it, move to the left side of the screen and click on save. Okay, once you save it, your color, your background color would be changed.